proof of cos 180 plus x is equal to minus cos x and sin 180 plus x is equal to minus sin x. So we'll start off with this being x, and this we'll call it as OAB, and this is 90, and this is cos x comma sin x. And now 180 plus x, what does it mean? Well, this entire thing is 180 plus x means the same as this. And that would be your height, that's 90 degree. And we can call this as OPQ. No, generally I call this as POPQ. And this would be, say, x. Okay, makes sense? So now point P is our cos of 180 plus x comma sine of pi plus x. Right? And now we can tell the triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OPQ by AAS congruency. Correct? So with that, we can move on to tell OA is equal to OP by CPCT. So as you can see, there's nothing new I'm doing. I'm just going step by step, writing the same thing. So this in turn we'll call it as 1 and 2. So from 1, we can conclude the following. So OA is to the right, and so we have cos x in terms of magnitude is equal to OP is to the left, so cos of 90 plus x in terms of magnitude. But since this is to the right and this is to the left, the relationship will look something like this. Minus 1 times of cos of x is equal to cos of pi plus x. Right? And this is our first expression. That's what we wanted. And with respect to 2, what can we tell? We have AB. AB is your height. So sine of x. So in terms of magnitude is equal to PQ is your base. Not base, sorry. Height flipped around. So these two are equal. And now we have sine x is on the positive y-axis while PQ is on the negative y-axis. So the relationship will be something like this. And so we have the answer to be this. Right, guys? Again, please take a coordinate. You'll understand. Okay, let me take one for you guys. Say this is 5 and 2. 5 comma 2. Clearly this is a reflection, and this will be minus 5, that is to the left, and bottom minus 2. So you can clearly see these two have a negative relationship, that I'll get, if I multiply with negative 1, I'll get this, and if I multiply with negative 1, I'll get back this. And that's what the formula shows. In coordinate length.